to the changes that are necessary. මොනවද ඒ වෙනස් වෙන්න ඕන දේවල්? You have to change the tense. Tense change must be there. Then මට මතක විදිහට නම් අපේ ටීචර්ස්ලා ගිය සතියේ උගන්වලා තියෙනවා time එක කොහොමද වෙනස් වෙන්න ඕන කියලා. Expressions of time should be changed. Then pronoun must be changed accordingly. අවශ්‍ය නොවන තැන් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. But we have to change if it is necessary. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි සමහරක් වෙලාවට I කරා සමහරක් වෙලාවට she කරා. Sometimes you have to change the pronoun, right? හැබැයි හැමදේම depends. හැමදේම depends. බලන්න ඕන අවස්ථාවක් කියලා. Reporting verb එක මොකක්ද? When you report an affirmative or a negative sentence, usually you have to use said or told. But when you report a question, you have to use the reporting word ask. The use of that in reported speech. ඒක හැබැයි questions වලට එන්නේ නැහැ. Questions වලට අපිට වැදගත් වෙන්නේ if and whether for yes no questions. And when it is a question with an interrogative word or WH question word, you don't need to have if or whether. There are the WH question word is used. ඔය ටික තමයි මම පෙන්නන්නම් ඔයගලන්ට ටක් ගාලා the changes in the time expressions and changes in the words which are related to the place. Now then වෙලා තියෙනවා. Today that day වෙලා තියෙනවා. Here they are වෙලා තියෙනවා. See, you can see the two columns, direct speech and indirect speech. This has become that. Tomorrow has become the following day. Hari පුතේ very logical again. දැන් කතා කරන මේක සති 3කට කලින් කිව්වා නම් කවුරු හරි එක්කෙනෙක් එයාගේ කතාව තුල tomorrow කියලා අපිට ඒක අද tomorrow කියන්න බෑ. We can't say tomorrow when you report today. You have to say අර කිව්ව අවස්ථාව බලලා the following day ඊට පසු දින the next day එහෙම නැත්තම් හරිද නැත්තම් the day after දවසකට පස්සේ කියන අදහස. ඒ වගේම next week වෙනස් වෙනවා the following week කියන විදිහට. Yesterday කිව්වහම the previous day. The day before කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Last week වම් පස්සේ the previous week and ago කිව්වොත් then you have to use previously or before. Tonight, that night. Right? Those are the things that you must have in your mind. These are important things. සමහරක් රට ඔක්කොම කරලා you have not changed the time expression. අපරාධ මහන්සිය. ඒකින්ද these things should be there in your mind, right? Let's quickly go through the changes in the tense. බලන්න ලයිස්තුව පටපට ගාලා ඔයගලන්ට බලාගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. Simple present, simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, past simple. Past simple කියන්නේ simple past කියන එකමයි. ඒකත් past ඔය past perfect වලට තුනක් වෙනවා පුතේ. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Simple past into past perfect. Past perfect into past perfect. මොකද past perfect එක තව මාරු කරන තැනක් නැහැ. ඔන්න මතක තියාගන්න. You don't see the change there. Past perfect එක past perfect ම තමයි. Past continuous, past perfect continuous වලට මාරු වෙනවා. Past perfect මං කිව්වේ no changes there. Past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous ම තමයි. There too you don't see any change actually. Now yes, you can switch on your microphone and ask any question if you want to. Yes, if there's something that you want to know. Aratikana mang wegen yeah, I went through the changes in the tenses quickly. Mokada it's something that you learned the previous week. That's why. Anit ewa mang wegen giye naha කියන එක තමයි මගේ අදහස. So anything that you want to clear or anything that you want to ask from me? Any doubt? Mr. Sisira.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can hear me, no? Still you can hear, no? Then that means the students may have heard what I say. No?
Exactly, sir.
Yeah. Right. Maybe these are also some changes. Will, would, whenever can becomes good. Must, you can change it to had to, shall, should, may into might. Right. Okay. Now here some here you can see some questions, and even the answer is given in order to understand clearly. Look at the first one already I have done, and if you go look at the second one, when did you come? If you want to report this, when did you come? See how it has been reported. ඔයගලන්ට පොඩ්ඩක් confuse වෙන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක් තියෙනවා. confuse වෙන්න එපා. පුතේ ඔය අපේ මට්ටමට O level මට්ටමට what we use is ask, right? But depending on the question, sometimes the foreign speakers or the native speakers use the word wanted to know. බය වෙන්න එපා. දැනගන්න අවශ්‍ය වුණා කියන ඒ කියන්නේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහලානේ දැනගන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක්. ඒකින්ද instead ask, they use this in their reporting thing, right? Betty wanted to know. Very nice thing. In the Bible, Betty wanted to know. You see the interrogative word when, right? And you see you have changed into I, and you see the helping verb is did. The helping verb is did. And when you, as usual, what we have to do is we have to extract it from that place and take it to the place where you can see the subject and the rest of the sentence. We know that did is used in the past tense. Did පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ past tense එකෙන්. එතකොට past tense එකෙන් නම් අපි යන්න වෙන්නේ මොකටද? මොකටද යන්න වෙන්නේ? You have to go to past perfect. And if it is the past perfect, what is the structure? Subject, had, PP. Subject, had, PP. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ පැහැදිලිව පේනවා did පිටිපස්සට ගිහිල්ලා had එක PP එක පාවිච්චි වෙලා තියෙනවා. So you can see Betty wanted to know what I had come. කොහොස වෙනසක් වෙලා නැහැ නේ come වල. ඇත්තටම in direct speech statement you see the word come. It is the stem. It is the infinitive form. But in the reported statement, you see the word come, but it's not the stem or the infinitive form. It is the past participle. You know, come, belwama, come, came, come. That is how the forms are created. And look at the next one. Mark asks a question. Has John arrived? Has John arrived? Right? Then when you report this, Mark asked me. So Mark asked me. As you notice here, it's a yes no question. And you can see the word if. You can see the word if. Mark asked me if John is, something you can't put that into a pronoun directly. If there is a proper noun like that, don't try to change. Sometimes you may think, but this is the first time that we are reporting something out of this situation, so that we don't know who this John is. Already you have done some reporting with this particular incident, and there you could be able to use the word he. For the first time. we should not change. John don't change that. Mark asked me if John had arrived. See how the tense is changed. Has become had. මොකද present perfect එක වෙනස් වෙන්න ඕන past perfect එක. ඒතකොට present perfect එකේ verb එක has have එක pp දාලා හදනකොට in the past perfect tense you have to use had as the helping verb and the pp. So it's totally clear. Mark asked me if John had arrived. මං හිතන්නේ ඔයගලන්ට පුළුවන් අනිත් උදාහරණ හතර දිහා බලන්න. You can go through the next 4 examples. Go through the next 4 examples and see whether something which is difficult, right? If there is something which is difficult, you can ask. You see that will has changed into would. You see that can has changed into could, right? Those are the things that you notice here. If there's something difficult, you can ask. Here too you have 3 more sentences. Make a first one actually we did, but the 9th one. How much pocket money does Lisa get? How much pocket money does Lisa get? Kochchar pocket money again kochchar especially when a student is away from home, the parents give them the pocket money. How much pocket money does Lisa get? Frank wanted to know. But එතනදී මට ඔයගොල්ලන්ටත් හිතෙනවා මේ ask කියනකට වඩා ලස්සනයි wanted to know. වෙනස් වෙන තැන දකින්න පුළුවන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ බය වෙන්න එපා. ask කියන අදහසම තමයි මෙතන ඉන්නේ. Frank wanted to know how much pocket money. The whole thing is the interrogative word. You can't just have how much. The pocket money කියන එකත් question එකේම කැලලක්. How much pocket money Lisa see that nice thing does has become did. And what happens with did is did can hide inside the verb. So get has become what? Frank wanted to know how much pocket money Lisa got. If you go to next one, must I do the shopping? So these days don't go shopping as usual because with the COVID-19 thing, so you have to stay at home as far as possible. So let your parents to shop, right? Anyway, must I do the shopping? The idea is mama shopping kala yutuda. And if you want to report this, see how it has how it has become a sentence in the reported speech. And ask, make up again a yes no question, so you can see if there. And the question is asked from somebody, and that particular person is a girl. So, so it has and is a girl. So you have to change I into she. Ito mas neda puti tiyan pa de. Ito mas swerte mo ko dawela tin. Mama kiwa mas should be changed into had to. Mas venas karno had to කියන එකට. එතකොට must do කියලා ලියනව වෙනුවට වඩා හොඳයි had to කියලා ලියන එක. Had to do the shopping. හොඳයි. Yes, I have come to the end of my lesson. There are some, lots of activities in past paper books, in model papers, right? There are lots of activities even in internet you can find some activities, some good ones are there. You can select them and do. හැබැයි මම තව චූටි වෙලාවක් ඔයගලන්ට දෙන්නම් මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් මොකද මම හිතන්නේ one of difficult areas I discuss one of difficult areas here මොකද reported speech කියලා කියන්නේ something that is difficult for students we know some don't like this lesson then I don't know how I was I don't know whether I was successful or not. That is up to you to decide. I tried as far as possible to make the things clear to you. Lamai මොකද තේරුණාද? Did you understand?
Yes.
මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Do you have any problem? තවදුරටත් ඔයගලන්ට පුතේ ස්ටඩි කරන්න ඕන දෙයක් දැන් අද ලෙසන් එකෙන් කෙරුණේ නැතුව නෙමෙයි ස්ටඩි කරන්න ඕන දේ විදිහට මම දකින දේ තමයි you have to study the tense change මොකද අපි හැම ටෙන්ස් එකකටම අපි උදාහරණ සාකච්ඡා කරේ නෑ මොකද මට කොමනා වුණේ බේසික් එක concept එක හොඳට දාලා දෙන්න මොකද ඊට පස්සේ you yourself can study the tenses and do මොකද with the help of the previous lesson මොකද එතනදී ගොඩක් කතා වෙන්නේ නැති the change in the tense with that knowledge you have to study these things and do actually don't forget the thing අමතක කරන්න එපා go through the past papers මොකද ඔක පහු වෙනකොට තව ටිකක් අමතක වෙනවා ඒකින්ද අදම මේක කරන්න after a rest you can go through the past papers and take the questions based on reported speech and do හරිද එහෙම කරන්න එහෙනම්
excuse me sir, one suggestion. I thought it would be great if you could discuss a couple of past paper sample questions as well after the session with related to this direct speech, so the student can go through the past papers and answer and questions as well. Would that be helpful, sir? I mean, related to this, yes.
My suggestion is now the students have to take their past paper books and go through those questions and answer them, right? And when we have the next session with these 3 classes, right? I'll be discussing the question in the past papers, right? දැන් ඔයගලන්ට තියෙන දේ තමයි අර එහෙම past papers අරගෙන දැන් මොකද I have not taken the copies of them and everything ඒකින්ද එහෙම කරමුද නේද මිස්ටර් සිසිර මම කියන්නේ ළමයින්ට
ඒක හොඳයි සර් කොමාරි අර මම හිතුවේ පාඩම කරලා අවසානයේ හෝ වෙනම හරි අර පේපර් කීපයකුත් ඒකට සම්බන්ධව සාකච්ඡා කරන්න පුළුවන් නම් හොඳයි කියන ඒක හොඳයි සර් අදහස මේ එහෙම කරමු
අපි ඊළඟ දවසේ මේ පන්ති තුනම එකම වෙනකොට will continue with this. Okay. Hari Mr. Sisira, I'll take a personal call to you after this session. Shall I say goodbye then?
Yes.